Hi everyone. Welcome today. How are you? You have a great weekend because outside is a sunshiny day, and I'm inside now, and we have 7 Sudokus to go. One regular Sudoku, that is a medium Sudoku, and 6 Sudokus in the additional of today's newspaper of Monday, May the 25th, 2020. So, are you ready? Ready to solve the Sudokus? So, let's get started. Alright, I see here in the last column an 8 and a column next an 8-2 over there. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. And I see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. In the middle row, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here a 7, so no 7s in those 3 boxes. There are 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for a 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 7. And now, which number can I use? How about this column? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. So we have a 6 and a 5 here, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. And I see here a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then how about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below? So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And then yeah, how about the number? These two were the 1 and the 3. That means the other 3 should be the 4, the 2, and the 9. Yeah, and the 9. 1 and 3, 2 and the 9, and the 4. Yes, I cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the 3rd row, so in the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. In the middle column, we have 1, 2, the 3 is missing, it should be here in one of these 3. The 4, the 5 is missing, should be also in the middle column. And the 9 is missing, also in this middle column. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright, and now, yes, I see here in this big square 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. There are 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. In the middle row, we have one of those 2 boxes. Could be a 3. In the row above, we have a 3 over there. So in that row, the 3, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Now we have 1 box missing in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes missing in this column for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3. Alright, and then how about 5, 9. These 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers here in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. two numbers left in the first row for the numbers 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. That means the other two numbers are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 and 4 are missing, 6 and 4. That means the last column also 6 and 4. 6 and 4, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One missing number in this big square for the number 4. How about these two numbers. The missing numbers here, the 3 and the 9. The 3 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. How about these 3 numbers in this row. The missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 6 are missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. I see here 1. No 1 there. Here also 1. No 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 6. The 2 and the 6 are left. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6 here. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. But the 1 in this row and the 1 in the middle row, I can continue because the row above, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, no 1 there. 1 place left for the 1 should be here. And I think all the 1s are used, yes. Alright, how about 2, 6, 2, 6, 4. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. How about can I feel no. These 2 numbers, can I fill this? The missing numbers here are the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are completed, I believe. How about these 2 numbers? I remember the 2 and the 6. Here also the 2 and the 6 in this column. The 2 and the 6, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 6 here in this column, so 1 number left here for this column for the number 2. Here in this big square, 1 number left for the 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 1 number left in this column for the number 2, I believe. 2, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. No, 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Alright. You like this Sudoku? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in a minute because I will continue with the additional, because there are 6 Sudokus to solve. So see you later. Bye bye.